Hello, good morning students. We will continue our previous topic, trigonometric function in Maths 1. In previous lecture, we have seen that the problems based on sine rule. We know that proof of the theorem in trigonometric functions are deleted for this year due to COVID-19. But problems based on sine rule and cosine rule are not deleted. So today we will take some examples based on sine rule and cosine rule. Now see exercise 3.2. I have written the question here. With usual notations, prove that 2 in bracket BC cos A plus AC cos B plus AB cos C equal to A square plus B square plus C square. Here we have to show that LHS is equal to RHS. So take LHS. LHS is LHS 2 into BC cos A plus AC into cos B plus AB into cos B. So here use the cosine rule. What is cosine rule? Cosine rule. Cos A is equal to, what is the value of cos A? That is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. What is the value of cos B? A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Similarly, cos B equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Okay, these are the values from the cosine rule. Cosine rule, cos A, cos B, cos C. Substitute all these values in LHS. So LHS becomes 2 into BC, here cos A. What is cos A? B square plus C square, B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Here you can multiply by 2, so it becomes 2BC plus multiply by 2, it becomes 2AC. Value of cos B, A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Similarly, substitute the value of cos B from the cosine rule. First multiply by 2, that is 2AB. A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. Okay, now here 2BC get cancelled, here 2AC get cancelled, here 2AB get cancelled. Write down the simplification. B square plus C square minus A square plus A square plus C square minus B square plus A square plus B square minus C square. देखिए क्या क्या कैंसिल होता है यहाँ पे, माइनस ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए स्क्वायर गेट कैंसिल, बी स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर गेट कैंसिल, दिस C square minus C square plus C square get cancelled. Remaining is C square plus A square plus B square. C square plus A square plus B square. This we can write A square plus B square plus C square, and that is our RHS is equal to RHS. Hence approved. To understand, simply substitute the value of cos A, cos B and cos C. Simplify, we will get the required RHS. Isn't it? Okay. Now we take the next one. Okay, next one is in triangle ABC, if A cos A equal to B cos B, if A cos A equal to B cos B, then prove that the triangle is right angled or an isosceles triangle. Then prove that triangle is either right angled or an isosceles triangle. Okay, what is the given condition? Given condition is A cos A equal to B cos B, and we have to show that the triangle is right angle triangle or isosceles triangle. Okay, write down the given that let A cos A equal to B cos B. Okay, now substitute the value of cos A and cos B from the cosine rule. Therefore, A, what is cos A? Cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC is equal to B, value of cos B from the cosine rule, that is A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC by cosine rule. Okay, now simplify here. Here is 2BC, here is 2AC. So denominator same कीजिए, make the denominator 2ABC. So here multiply by A, multiply and divide by A. Here multiply and divide by B. तो दोनों का denominator same हो जाएगा 2ABC. So this becomes A into A square in bracket B square plus C square minus A square. इसको A से मल्टीप्लाई किया, A into A square. Here also multiply by A, so it becomes 2ABC is equal to, on right hand side multiply and divide by B. न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर को B से मल्टीप्लाई करो. B into B square in bracket A square plus C square minus B square. Here also multiply by B, it becomes 2ABC. अभी दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, 2ABC. Remove the denominator, take the equality of numerator, A square into B square plus C square minus A square equal to B square into A square plus C square minus B square. Now multiply by A square and here multiply by B square. LHS को multiply कीजिए A square से, RHS को B square से. Because outside the terms are A square and B square. A square into B square plus A square into C square. A square into A square, that is A raised to 4. Now on right hand side multiply by B square. B square into A square is A square B square plus B square into C square. B square into B square is B raised to 4. So same terms A square B square get cancelled. Okay, now this terms A square C square, take this term on left hand side, A square C square, this becomes minus B square C square. Take this term on right hand side, A raised to 4 minus B raised to 4. Okay, in LHS take C square common, in bracket you will get A square minus B square. C square common, C square common लीजिए LHS से. Now factorize this as like A square minus B square. Factors of A square minus B square is A minus B, A plus B. In the similar manner, factors of A raised to 4 minus B raised to 4 is A square minus B square in the first bracket and in second bracket A square plus B square. Take the terms on left hand side. It becomes A square minus B square into C square minus A square minus B square into A square plus B square is equal to 0. Now we can take a square minus b square common. If we take a square minus b square common, in bracket we will get c square minus a square plus b square equal to 0. Product of these two terms is equal to 0. Therefore, a square minus b square equal to 0. Or c square minus a square plus b square equal to 0. From this we will get a square plus b square is equal to c square. It means by using Pythagoras theorem we can say that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Now a square minus b square equal to 0. From this we can write a square equal to b square. Take square root we will get a equal to b. From this we can conclude that triangle ABC is isosceles triangle because two sides are equal. Okay, hence triangle ABC is right angled triangle or isosceles triangle. Okay. A square plus b square equal to c square. From this we can conclude that triangle ABC is right angle triangle. Here a equal to b, two sides are equal. Therefore, triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. Hence, we can say that triangle ABC is right angle triangle or isosceles triangle. You understand? Is that it? Okay. Now we take one more sum. Okay, these problems are based on cosine rule. Now next problem we will see which is based on sine rule as well as cosine rule. In the next question we have to use both the rules, sine rule and cosine rule. Proofs of sine rule and cosine rules are do not required for this year due to COVID-19, but problems are not deleted. So we will take the problems based on sine rule and cosine rule. Now we are taking the similar problems. Now the next question, in triangle ABC, if cot A, cot B, cot C, if cot A, cot B, cot C are in AP, are in arithmetic progression, then prove that A square, B square are also in arithmetic progression. Then show that A square, B square, C square are also in arithmetic progression. That is it. So what we have given? Given that cot A, cot B, cot C are in arithmetic progression, and we have to prove that A square, B square, C square are in arithmetic progression. Okay, now let cot A, cot B, cot C are in arithmetic progression. So by definition of arithmetic progression, we can write cot B equal to cot A plus cot C upon 2. Take the cross multiplication. 2 cot B is equal to cot A plus cot C. Now we know that cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. So substitute the value of cot B, cot A and cot C here. It becomes 2 cot B means cos B upon sin B. Cot A means cos A upon sin A. Cot C means cos C upon sin C. Now here we have to substitute the values of cos A, cos B, cos C from the cosine rule and sin A, sin B, sin C from the sine rule. What is sine rule? A upon sin A equal to B upon sin B equal to C upon sin C. Suppose this ratio is equal to K. It means each ratio is equal to K. A upon sin A equal to K. It means from this we can write A equal to K sin A. Similarly, second ratio equal to K. B upon sin B equal to K. Therefore, B equal to K sin B. And similarly, C equal to K sin C. These are the values from the sine rule A, B, C. Okay. Otherwise, we can say here we have to substitute the value of sin A, sin B, and sin C. So we can write this one like this. Each ratio is equal to K. So sin A is equal to A upon K. Sin B equal to B upon K. And sin C equal to C upon K. Because we have to substitute the values of sin A, sin B, and sin C here. Okay. Now 2 into cos B from the cosine rule, that is A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC into 1 upon sin B. Sin B is B upon K is equal to cos A. Cos A is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. This is the value of cos A. Divided by sin A into means 1 upon sin A is A upon K plus cos B, that is A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB upon sin C, it means 1 upon sin C is C upon K. Now this K goes to the numerator. So we can take K common, 2K. This is A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC into B, that is 2ABC is equal to, this K goes to numerator, K common, it becomes B square plus C square minus A square upon 2ABC plus A square plus B square minus C square upon 2ABC. On right hand side we have taken K common. Okay, denominator 7. So multiply this K get cancelled. Multiply by 2ABC. Multiply by 2ABC, the whole equation. Multiply this equation by 2ABC. So denominator get removed now. So this becomes 2 into A square plus C square minus B square is equal to, on right hand side, denominator get cancelled, B square plus C square minus A square plus last term is A square plus B square minus C square. Okay, so this becomes, now here minus A square plus A square it cancel, this C square minus C square it cancel, it becomes 2 multiplied by 2A square plus 2C square minus 2B square is equal to B square plus B square is 2B square. So this 2A square plus 2C square, it is 2B square plus 2B square. Take 2 common, A square plus C square is equal to 4B square. Therefore, A square plus C square is equal to 2B square. Okay, divide by 2. 2 से divide किया, A square plus C square equal to 2B square. So from this we can write 2B square equal to Otherwise you can write b square is equal to a square plus c square upon 2. So by definition of AP, a square plus b square c square are in arithmetic progression. If a square, b square, c square are in AP, then you can say that 2b square equal to a square plus c square. Otherwise you can say a square plus c square upon 2 is equal to b square. From this we can conclude that a square, b square, c square are in AP. Isn't it? Here we have used the sine rule and cosine rule. Values of sine rule and cosine rule are you have substituted here and you will get the required. Anything else?